shackled and dressed in an orange jumpsuit. Our 13 Investigates team had the only camera in the courtroom today as parolee Justin Kula was formally charged in connection with the parole officer's death. Investigative reporter Sean Rice is live in our newsroom tonight with what he's uncovered about Kula's criminal past. Sean?
Yeah, Bart, Justin Kula has been slapped with more felony charges tied to allegedly running over parole officer Christine Guerin Sandoval. 13 Investigates is now uncovering new details showing his criminal history spans more than 2 decades and multiple states. But we found despite his violent history, he had never spent more than a couple of years in prison. Justin Kula exited an El Paso County courtroom slapped with more felony charges in connection with the death of Colorado parole officer Christine Guerin Sandoval. He had no emotion on his face as Judge David Shakes read him his charges before being escorted out by a sheriff's deputy in handcuffs. Kula's vehicular homicide charge alleges that he was on drugs and caused the death of another person with a car. It carries a maximum of 12 years in prison if convicted. In arrest documents obtained by 13 Investigates, Kula admitted that he was high on a mixture of heroin and methamphetamine when 3 parole officers approached his car to complete a welfare check on him. Kula claimed he thought he was being robbed and took off from the scene to avoid that from happening. In addition to the homicide charge, the 4th Judicial District Attorney's Office filed habitual criminal charges.
They deal with sentencing, and they can potentially expand the maximum exposure that a criminal defendant could face.
Colorado law mandates someone be at least a 3-time convicted felon for habitual criminal charges to apply. 13 Investigates found Kula had more than triple that amount in both Texas and Colorado. We obtained over a dozen mugshots from his plethora of arrests dating back all the way to 2000 for crimes like assault, harassment, and a variety of drug charges.
Depending on criminal history, the severity and type of previous convictions can determine anywhere from a 3-year multiplier of the maximum up to a life sentence, depending on the circumstances.
Kula will be back in court next January, where a judge will decide if there's enough evidence to go to trial. Reporting live in the newsroom, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.
Sean, thanks for the update.